your slow PC in 5 minutes. A slow PC can feel like a productivity killer, but the good news is that speeding it up doesn't have to take hours or require technical expertise. In just 5 minutes, you can make significant improvements to your computer's performance. Here's a quick, step-by-step guide to help you get your PC back on track. 1. Close unnecessary background programs. One of the main culprits of a slow PC is too many programs running in the background. Press Ctrl-Shift-S to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and sort by CPU or memory usage. Identify programs you're not actively using and click End Task to free up resources. 2. Disable startup programs. Many applications automatically launch when your computer starts, slowing down boot time and ongoing performance. To manage these, type msconfig into the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Navigate to the Startup tab and disable programs you don't need immediately after startup. For Windows 10 and 11, this can also be done via the Task Manager under the Startup section. Clear temporary files. Temporary files can pile up over time, consuming valuable disk space and slowing your system. To clear them, press Windows R, type temp and hit Enter. Select all files in the folder and delete them. These are safe to remove and can free up gigabytes of space in seconds. 4. Update your software. Outdated software, including drivers and operating systems, can cause sluggish performance. Check for updates by going to Settings, Update and Security. Install any available updates to ensure your system runs efficiently and securely. 5. Run a quick disk cleanup. Windows comes with a built-in disk cleanup tool to help remove unnecessary files. Search for disk cleanup in the Start menu, select your main drive, usually C, and let the tool analyze your system. Check the boxes for temporary files, recycle bin, and other unneeded items, then click Clean Up System Files. 6. Adjust power settings. If your PC is set to a power-saving mode, it might not be performing at its best. Go to Control Panel, Power Options, and choose High Performance or Balanced for better speed. 7. Restart your computer. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a restart. It clears out cache data, refreshes the RAM, and gives your PC a fresh start. Make it a habit to reboot your computer regularly for optimal performance. Bonus tip, use a PC optimization tool. If you're short on time, consider using a trusted PC optimization tool. Many programs, like CCleaner or Advanced System Care, can handle tasks like cleaning temporary files, managing startup programs, and optimizing your system with a single click. By following these steps, you can dramatically improve your PC's speed in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tackling work deadlines or simply browsing the web, a faster computer means less frustration and more productivity. Don't let a slow PC hold you back. Take action today and experience the difference.